In the cheerful town of Sunvale, where the houses were painted like rainbows and every morning smelled of fresh pancakes, lived a little girl named Mila. Mila had the brightest smile, but there was one tiny thing she struggled with: introducing herself. Whenever someone new came around, Mila would hide behind her mom or mumble softly, hi. I'm, before running away red-faced. She wished she could be as confident as her best friend Leo, who could make friends faster than cookies disappeared at a bake sale. Blossom the first day of school. One sunny morning, Mila's mom said, "Mila, it's your first day at your new school. Remember to be brave and say hello to your teacher and new friends." Mila nodded nervously, clutching her backpack like a shield. At school, kids laughed and played everywhere. The classroom buzzed with excitement. When the teacher, Ms. Nia, said, "Let's all introduce ourselves," Mila's heart began to race. What if I say the wrong thing? What if they laugh? What if I forget my name? One by one, the students stood and spoke confidently. "Hi, I'm Leo. I love dinosaurs. Hello. I'm Amira, and I like painting." Then it was Mila's turn. Her hands trembled. She could barely whisper, "I'm Mila." The room was quiet for a moment. Then Ms. Nia smiled warmly. "That's a lovely name, Mila. Thank you for sharing." Mila sat down, her cheeks pink. She wished she knew how to introduce herself like everyone else, proudly and clearly. Sparkles. The magical encounter. After school, Mila sat alone under a big oak tree. She sighed, "I wish I knew how to introduce myself without feeling so scared." Suddenly, a soft whoosh of wind circled her, and a sparkly blue butterfly landed on her hand. It shimmered and spoke in a tiny, musical voice. "Hello, Mila. I'm Bindi, the butterfly of confidence." Mila gasped. "You can talk?" "Of course. And I heard your wish. I'm here to teach you the magic introduction spell." Mila's eyes widened. "A spell?" Bindi nodded. "It's not real magic, but it feels magical once you learn it. Ready?" Mila nodded eagerly. Bindi's magic introduction steps. Bindi fluttered around her, leaving sparkles in the air. Step 1, smile. A smile is your way of saying, "I'm happy to meet you." It makes people feel welcome. Mila practiced a big smile. Step 2, stand tall. Lift your head, shoulders back, and look at the person's eyes. It shows confidence, even if your tummy feels full of butterflies. Mila stood tall, imagining her feet growing roots like a strong tree. Step 3, say your name proudly. "Hi. My name is Mila." Not too fast, not too quiet, just right. Mila repeated, "Hi. My name is Mila." Her voice came out clear and bright. "Perfect." Bindi cheered. Step 4, add something about yourself. Like, "I love reading stories," or "I enjoy dancing." It helps others know a little about you. Mila thought for a moment and said, "Hi. My name is Mila, and I love drawing rainbows." Bindi twirled happily. Beautiful. And finally, step 5, end with kindness. "What's your name?" That's how friendships begin. Mila practiced again, "Hi. My name is Mila, and I love drawing rainbows." "What's your name?" Bindi clapped her wings. "Now that's a perfect introduction, my dear." Rainbow. The next morning, Mila walked into class with her heart fluttering like Bindi's wings. A new student sat at the back, a shy boy staring at his shoes. Ms. Nia said, "Class, this is Toby. It's his first day." Mila remembered Bindi's lesson. She took a deep breath, smiled, and walked over. Hi. My name is Mila, and I love drawing rainbows. What's your name? Toby looked up and smiled for the first time. I'm Toby. I love building robots. Soon, they were laughing and chatting like old friends. From that day, whenever someone new joined the class, Mila would greet them using Bindi's magic steps, with a smile, confidence, and kindness. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!